Yo. Seems we are live. Great. So let's start this my first stream, and yeah, I hope to in some way make it work. Why I wanted to stream? So for some time, I wanted to learn this engine, this game engine called Ebited. But each time I approach this game engine itself, I feel like I'm wasting my time because I am not like a game developer. So um, now that I have this channel and I wanted to make videos and stream, also like streaming was of my goals. um I said to myself, so okay, I can do some learning about this engine and do a video, so I can like have to stuff I want to do at the same time. So let's start. What I want to do with this engine, I work a lot with crypto in my day-to-day job. So I wanted to create, let me do some like drawings here. I want to create some kind of a wallet and use this engine for creating the UI. I already done this kind of things with wallets, but with different approaches. So I have some ideas, I have some understanding how to do it, but with this engine will be the first time I'm actually going to try it. What I want to create, like I want to have some kind of an interface like this. I know maybe it will be mobile first because with a bit engine I can like turn it to the mobile, so it will be very nice to have. So maybe yeah, mobile first in some way like this. I want to have some kind of, if you already know the how wallets work, like MetaMask, Phantom, and stuff like this, they always have this possibility to have a list of wallets, like your all your wallets here and stuff. Now, let me do this like in more correct way with all of these addresses, like this. So yeah, like, oh, why you why okay. So with all of the addresses, like 0x 0x and like this, and the possibility to create maybe your account with your actual wallet address, copy paste it, and stuff like this. Create maybe new wallets with seed phrases. Yeah, this is my actual goal, and yeah, I wanted to do this with this engine because, like I said before, I wanted to learn it, and it was like a tough decision because I don't want to waste my time. So let's try and see what we can do with this wallet, because with this engine. Now, I have a little setup here for testing out this configuration. So I already created this main with a window setup with a window title, and yeah, I was like using a bit of air to help me work with this setup. Air, and yeah, it's kind of working, so I will see if I gonna use it, or maybe I will put this in a test. Like, I prefer to work with like some kind of tests, because for my setup in NeoVim it's easier. Like, for example, I can create game underscore test that go like this, and package main test, like run. I can do run game like this, and actually like put all of this here, for example, And yeah, just save this. Okay. And when I press, like, I have my plugin for this. When I run it, yeah, I can easily run this with a combination of k binding, so maybe it will be easier. And I can also like have it in my list. So I have like this, I can make it favorite, and I can like be, you know, in another file and just run it. So yeah, I think I will use it like this. So here I was trying to do some other stuff. Yeah, it's no more related to this. Now, yeah, let me clean this up. Okay, so now let's start and try to create this kind of setup, you know. So I will need to have a window, and to create this like I don't know, squares and yeah, populate them. I need to understand how to like use how to draw a rectangle on the screen, and yeah, maybe after that how to manipulate them to create more than one. Okay, let's start to creating creating maybe the UI, wallet UI. Yeah, I will create the UI that will go like this. Okay, package. Now, so I think I will need to create some kind of wallet struct, and yeah, where we are going to keep our state. How we are going to approach this? Okay. Yeah. Yeah, so let's just do some like simple stuff with this. I want to draw a rectangle. Okay. I actually like have some the examples of Ebited here, and yeah, I will use them in the future, obviously. Now let me go here and grab the API references, maybe, or the documentation. Like, let me open a lot of stuff. So yeah, API reference. Okay, I need to create a to draw a rectangle. How I draw a rectangle in this mess? Examples. Yeah, I'm going to use examples like so. Let me just I don't know, check here. We have game. Okay, update. We are going to, yeah. So we have to create some. We have the screen, draw, board engine. Yeah, it's this way. Okay. I need to draw a rectangle. So how do I draw a rectangle? Ebited dot draw. Okay, draw shader options. How do I draw a rectangle? So the row drawing options. So draw triangle, draw rect shader. I don't think it this. Where I can find this? You know what? Let's just do this. Okay, so let's yeah, Ebited Golang, how to draw a rectangle. Yeah, so all right, we have to create new image. What? Why? Because I need to fill it. Okay, and then yeah, you can have the geo. Okay, great. So let me try this, and yeah, I want to figure out like how to do it. Okay, So we have our Ebited. Now I am going to create this rectangle. For now, like make it image. So device dependent. Okay. I want it I don't know, 20 by 60. So it's, yeah, color white, great. Now I need to have my draw options and the screen and draw this image on my screen with the options. Okay, so I have the screen, it's this, great. So screen dot draw image. Draw image. I will draw this with, and it's required options. Let me just like do like no options here. So I want to see what actually it's going to create. Let me run the test. Okay, nice. Okay, great. So now I do understand that. Okay, it's width and height. Yeah. So in for my example, I will need something like this. Yes, good. Yeah, okay. Obviously it's small, but makes the idea. Okay, good. Now let's create this like this. Okay, I will have, let me just like because it's more complicated to do it on stream than in your flow of mind where you don't have to talk and explain everything. So I want to create a list of like wallets. Okay. Yeah. Now I need to create some kind of entity that will be representing this section. So this like rectangle, and in this rectangle I will have like some data. So I will have my wallet address, I will have maybe the balance of this wallet address, and I can click on it. So let's create a type and make it like single address rect. Okay, like this. Obviously it's a struct. Nice. It will be having like the widths and heights. So widths and heights. What we use here, ints. Great. So at this moment it will be an int. Width and heights, great. I think I will need some kind of a position. So yeah, position on X and position on Y to move them around. If I, let me understand this, because maybe they will be floats. Okay, now if I going to create this, so options, let me do this like was in the example, like this. Okay, yeah. So now I can put it here, yo. I can go here and geom, yes, that I need to translate. I imagine I need to translate. Yes. I was looking for this. So position X and position Y are going to be float 64s. So yeah. In this way, I can assign directly my positions without needing to like cast them and stuff like this. So yes, this is what I wanted. Good. Now, I want to have a color like color, because yeah, here we have this color package and we using white for now. Okay, great. Yes, this will be a single address. Now in my UI I will need to have a bunch of them, so a slice of these rects. Yeah, so addresses, and it's going to be a slice of this type. Yeah, okay. So now I am going in the flow, you know. So yeah, now I'm going to populate. I have the option to populate this slice with these addresses, like with this list of addresses. I will have to have a text, because yeah, I will be showing also the, you know, the text itself like this. So yeah, this is my like struct. I will have the position, I will have the dimensions, and it will be like moving. It not going to move actually in that case, but each of them having their own x and y positions will be like will have to be moved accordingly. Okay, great. Now maybe let me check something. Okay, how like expected. Now what I can do, I can try. Let's factor out this to a new function. I will attach this to the UI, or maybe not. No, for now, no. Okay, for now, because I think I will like moving this to a new file. Okay, like func. Let's call it draw. Draw address, like this. Okay. So I will need this. No, because this is there. Okay. Yes. Okay. Yeah. Great. I will be accepting this. Or I can make it a method of this struct, but then I need to first initialize it. No, okay, let's do it like the dumb way first. Yeah, make it work. Okay, so you know the first step is make it work. Yeah, so like address data, for example, and it will be of this type. Now, yeah, because actually, okay, but now create this. I'm going to create new Ebited image. So, okay, I was like trying to create a rect, but okay, it's image because you are going to put pixels on that image later. Great. And now I need to pass it the widths. So address data widths and address data heights, like this. Yeah, great. I'm going to fill it with the actual like address data color. It's great. And I'm going to return what I'm going to returning the Ebited image, the pointer. So yeah, I need to draw on the screen. I need to draw this image with all of the options. So yes, pointer to Ebited that image, like this, because I can directly draw it. Or you know what? I actually can accept this screen. Okay. It's image, new image. It's actually image. Okay, so I can basically accept this to my function and do this draw, like yeah, draw image with this, like this, and the options. Yes, and I actually don't need to return it. In this case, I am actually replicating my, yeah, yes, and yeah, this will be in my array. Yes, it may work. Okay. So yes, and I need to for now create a single address, like address. It will be single address rect, like this. Let me populate it. Okay, now I'm going to do here and do this. Nice. Okay, so I want the width to be 200, heights to be 50, for example, for now, and located and locate. We need to handle the movement. Okay, yeah. Located, for example, on like 20 and epsilon 50. Yeah, and I will. This is the screen. I need to have my where is the okay, because I have it in the test like this. Okay, I need to set up these numbers, this like window size to a constant so I can use it. Yeah. And maybe they have to be in a common, like in some kind of common package. Yes, okay. Now, but for now it's like it's fine like this. Color dot white. Okay. Text. I don't have text at this moment, but I may have. So I will try to add. Okay. Yeah. Good. Now. Okay, so we have this. I imagine that this will be like taken from the slice in the UI, and we are going to draw this to the screen. Great. How we are going to do this? Okay. Yeah. So how? In man, how? Here. You just need to move it accordingly. So now op dot geom dot translate. Okay. Yeah, I want to translate this rect, this address to the location I am passing. So px and py like this. Yeah, I think it's how this going to work. The color I passed it. Okay, I will need to also draw a text in these locations. It will be nice because it will be interesting because to draw it inside my like rect, I need to calculate so I need to draw this text based on the position and the translation of this struct. So it will be interesting, yeah. And BNB, yeah, maybe for the text I will create like a method. So on this, because I think the text will be like dependent of this. I can like call it draw address text, for example, and return and no. Okay, for now it will be like this, like just a placeholder. So yeah, maybe I will be doing like this, accepting. I don't know how we will do it. That maybe I will accept the screen so I can render this onto the screen. Yeah, I need to understand this later. Okay, I think this will work. So let's run the test and what? Okay, where is the problem? Missing function body. Config 16. Like, okay, why the LSP does not told me like, okay, you have an error. What is the point to having an LSP in your backend if it's not helping you? Okay. It's nice. I need to figure out how to like draw like rounded corners, but I think like there is some kind of like option to do this. Okay. And yeah, okay, now what I wanted to do is to like populate this in a for loop and draw it like n elements of this like addresses, because yeah, I think it's the easiest part for now. Yeah, I need to, for do this, I need to, okay, assign like some defaults height. Okay, yeah. So let's create a for loop for now and let's see how we can do it. Okay, I want to create some. So let's create a like, you know, a standard for loop. Maybe I want like 5 addresses less than I plus plus something like this. Oh yeah, obviously like this. If I put this here, okay, nice. Now what I can do, I need to move this accordingly. So this is my width and heights. I want this to be the same on the x side. So you know, like we have our like we have our x. It's here. Maybe more like straight. Okay, this is x. So I want this to be the same, but the epsilon part, obviously, to like change for each wallet, for each address. And let me do, I don't know, I times this. Obviously, this is float, so I will need to like cast this I to float 64. Run it. Okay. Why? Because okay, times one times 50 50. Let me try to do this, but I imagine that okay. Why this is not working? Like what? Sorry. If I do this, run, if I just do this and run the test. Okay. My question is why I cannot draw 5 of this? What? Let me do this, run the test again, and okay. So, why I cannot draw 5 of my like addresses? Why? So I'm creating a new image. I am drawing into the screen. It's possible that it treats this the same, like it's not letting me to create this. It's not letting me to create this time. Yeah, this obviously will be the same because it's yeah, it's they are like on the same place. So obviously, no. Sorry, yeah. Let me do this like because it's a bit strange. It's screen. I obviously have to be able to draw multiple objects on a screen. So, wow, like what is the problem here? I'm going to move this to like 100 pixels and run the test. Okay. Okay. So yeah, if I do this, like for oops, if yeah I do this, yeah, it's exactly what I wanted. And now, where is the problem? Like, why you are not letting me do this in a for loop? Okay, let me try again. I actually can close this buffer. So I just don't get it. Like, what is the difference between like me calling this function 2 times and creating it by hand? What? Can I use the new features of Golang and just go range like over 5? Yeah, I can. Like this, like this, like this. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. So 50. Okay. Yeah. Just okay. I just want to do it in a range like this and run the test. I want to see it. Okay, it's working. Good. So it like was just was some kind of my misunderstanding of how to use this. So I need to move it by 50. Okay, I need to, yeah, first heights plus heights. Yeah. It was like, okay. So I need to factor out like heights. I need to, um, what? Okay, yeah. I need to plus I times 50. So, yeah, I need to move it by 50 each time. Yeah, but some kind of 50. Okay, so let me do this. I have my like heights like this. Okay, it will be 50. Okay, now let me replace this like this. Okay, now the coordinates, okay, it's starting from 50. Okay, now it has to increment by like 50, 50, 50, 50. Okay, yeah. So I need to add my heights multiplied by the I. So in this case, it will be like in the first iteration, 50 times I, it's 50 times 0, it's 0, so 50. 50 times 1, it's 50. So yeah, yes. And I need to do what? I need to like cast this to a float 64 basically. And will this work like this? It should. Let's run the test. Okay. It was just my like me being stupid. I want to give it some gap, like +1. Will it be enough? Not so quiet. Can I do +5? Oh no. Okay, I want to give it a gap. How do I give it a gap? Times this. Sorry. How do I give it a gap? Plus 10. Why I cannot give it a gap? So I have 50. Okay, I have my like position. Okay, great. I want to add this new, like this, I am adding the height, so the heights of the rect of the, like, of the address plus its heights, so like it's moving down 50. I just want to move it 51. Like, where is the problem? 54, like this. Can I, like, say, okay, I want to move it like this? Ah, finally. Like, yeah, I am so bad at this. Like, yeah. Yeah, I told you I not do this in my day-to-day job, so I have no idea how to, like, actually position all of this stuff. It's why I'm doing this, to learn how to properly use, like, these engines, and how to do all of this stuff. Okay, but actually maybe I have to do it, like, maybe like this. Okay, but it's like, wow, it's too big. Okay, great. Great. Now, okay. At least I have this. Now, I want to understand how to draw a text. And yeah, maybe for today it's fine. Okay. How to draw a text. Nebitan, yeah, I need to load some kind of font. I remember that. Um, okay, face. Okay, yeah. So, to create a text, we need to have some face for the font. New face sucks, bright, my font data. Uh, or similar font. Do you have some, like, default font, please? Text align, default font. I'm more than certain that they do have some kind of default font. Yeah. Okay, screen, basic face, text. So, bit face. Okay, let me try this, because if this works, why not? Ebited text. So I do need to import all of this stuff, yeah? The text. I need to import the text, and I need to import this. I need to import this, okay? Obviously like this. I may not have this, so go mod tidy. Yeah, let me restart my LSP. Okay, can I? Oh, it's pretty much easy, like, with the default font and stuff. Okay, now what I wanted to do, I have this function. What? Use, so Ebited use, yeah, but if I do this, will this not work so easily? Go mod tidy, because that solution was, like, working pretty much fine. Okay. They change it. Okay. So image, the image, text, face, and options. Let me see. Destination. So the text is this. Face. It's like this. And options to draw it. Look, for now, I'm going to use the first version. Yeah, because it's working and I need to like make something working and then I will figure out how to use the version 2. Okay. Now, I want this to be like maybe here. Okay. Why here? Because I need to have my coordinates. Like, if we are going to draw this text in our for loop with our address, I need to know where to draw it. So, for now, yeah, let's already do this like as that text. So I can like actually access my text, because later when I going to like populate this slice of addresses, I will obviously assign each to each like rect the correct wallet address. It will be generated from the seed phrase and from crypto stuff and like stuff like this. So yes, and good. Now I just need to figure it out how to position it. Draw x and y. Okay, let me basically take like as that position x and as that position y, like this, and draw text. Basically it's the same. No, it's not this. It's not the same. I first. Okay, yeah, it's not. Okay. It's not the same. I first need to draw the rectangle, and over that I need to draw the text on the same coordinates. If not, it not will be visible. Sorry, like this. Okay. Yeah. Yes. Now, I need to have some kind of text color. For now, it will be black. Yeah. Yes, great. And yeah, but I need to move it to the center. Epsilon. I need to divide. Yeah, no, I need to. So it's on top. I need to move it like maybe at the center of something like this. I imagine if I just like add s dot h of over 2 and run this. Yeah. Yes. It's working. Now, I want also to like add few pixels here. Yes. It's it's starting to look better. Yeah, obviously, like yeah, it's too small. Okay. Yeah. But to make it work, like okay, yeah, I will need to to do. Actually, I need to get the text heights to be able to move the text at the center of itself. Yeah, because obviously, like, I don't know if you can see it clearly, but at this moment in time, yeah, it starts here. It's at the center of the square. It's correct, but I need to move it I'll be a little bit more. So like, where is my drawing? Now it's like, it's starting here at the center. I need to move it by the half of its of the text on heights to be able to position it on the center. Like it's like in the CSS. So yeah, a lot of this understanding how to move it applies to CSS. So I do understand how I can do it. But yeah, for this scope of this screen, like for my first session ever, I think it's fine. And yeah, I will start to figure it out and learn how to use this engine, like step by step, doing these little sessions. And maybe I will learn how to do streams properly. And yeah, maybe will not be so so nervous and anxious, So see you in the see I cannot speak. So it's complicated to do these tricks because like you really expose yourself in real time. It's tricky. So see you again in the next session.